In 2025, cruise lines quietly expanded their banned lists, not with announcements, but with enforcement. Passengers are having items confiscated, some are charged fines, some are delayed at boarding, and some are denied boarding entirely because they packed something they've brought for years without a problem. And the worst part, most of these bans don't feel obvious, they feel harmless. If you watch this in order, you'll pack smarter, clear security faster, avoid cabin inspections, and skip the surprise charges most cruisers don't see coming. This is Shipverse, and this is your phase by phase checklist for avoiding the 12 newly enforced cruise ship bans in 2025. Do not skip ahead. Each phase protects you from the next level of enforcement. Phase 1: Teen Pre-Packing Reality Check. Purpose: stop banned items before they ever enter your luggage. This phase saves you time, embarrassment, and confiscation at the terminal. Step: remove all high-wattage power devices. Action: do not pack power strips, extension cords, or charging hubs that don't have cruise-approved surge protection. Why it matters? Cruise ships now flag electrical fire risk as a top safety issue. What goes wrong if skipped? Your bag gets pulled, opened, and the item is confiscated with no return. Pro tip: even some surge protectors are banned. Look for cruise-approved labeling and low-wattage certification. Step 2: leave steamers and heating appliances at home. Action: do not pack garment steamers, kettles, coffee makers, or portable heaters. Why it matters? Cabin electrical systems are not designed for sustained heat devices. What goes wrong if skipped? A confiscation plus a possible cabin safety note on your account. Pro tip: wrinkle release spray is allowed and works better than most people expect. Phase 20: liquids, foods, and drink restrictions. Purpose: avoid silent violations during security screening. Step 30: stop packing homemade food and unsealed snacks. Action: only bring factory-sealed, shelf-stable snacks where allowed. Why it matters? Biosecurity enforcement tightened in 2025 due to port regulations. What goes wrong if skipped items are thrown away at security with zero exceptions? Pro tip: some ports fine cruise lines for food violations, which is why enforcement is harsher now. Step 4: understand alcohol limits. They changed action. Follow the exact alcohol allowance for your cruise line and itinerary. Why it matters? Many lines lowered limits or restricted embarkation day carry-ons. What goes wrong if skipped? Alcohol is confiscated and sometimes returned only at the end of the cruise. Pro tip: on some ships, alcohol violations now trigger a manual review of your cabin for additional banned items. Phase 30: cabin safety and surveillance. Purpose: avoid penalties during random inspections. Step 5: remove magnetic hooks and adhesive organizers. Action: do not bring magnetic hooks, suction hooks, or adhesive wall organizers. Why it matters? These damage cabin walls and interfere with fire doors. What goes wrong if skipped items are removed by staff or noted during inspection? Pro tip: some lines now charge damage fees even if no visible damage remains. Step 6: no more personal fans with exposed blades. Action: leave clip-on and desk fans at home unless explicitly approved. Why it matters? Fire risk and injury complaints increase sharply. What goes wrong if skipped? Confiscation during cabin inspection. Pro tip: balcony cabins usually don't allow any additional airflow devices at all. Phase 4: technology and recording devices. Purpose: avoid privacy and security violations. Step 70: drones are now universally banned. Action: do not bring drones, even compact or toy models. Why it matters? Port authorities, not just cruise lines, enforce drone bans. What goes wrong if skipped? Confiscation at boarding with possible port fines. Pro tip: some ports blacklist passengers who violate drone rules. Step 80: hidden cameras and nanny cams are prohibited. Action: do not bring hidden cameras, audio recorders, or monitoring devices. Why it matters? Privacy laws at sea are stricter in 2025. What goes wrong if skipped? Security investigation and potential removal from the ship. Pro tip: even baby monitors with recording features can trigger issues. Phase 50: personal items that now cause problems. Purpose: prevent harmless items from becoming violations. Step 9: ashes and memorial items face new restrictions. Action: check policies before bringing cremated remains or memorial items. Why it matters? Environmental and legal concerns increased enforcement. What goes wrong if skipped? Denial at boarding or forced surrender of the item. Pro tip: some lines require advanced documentation weeks before sailing. Step 10: self-defense items are more strictly banned at action. Do not bring pepper spray, stun devices, or tactical keychains. Why it matters? International weapon laws apply on board. What goes wrong if skipped? Confiscation and possible security interview. Pro tip: even items legal at home may be illegal at sea. Phase 6: medical and health-related items. Purpose: Avoid misunderstanding health rules as banned Step 11 CBD products are increasingly restricted action. Do not bring CBD oils, gummies, or creams unless explicitly permitted. Why it matters. CBD legality varies by port and flag state. What goes wrong if skipped confiscation or denial at customs controlled ports? Pro tip: some cruise lines treat CBD the same as marijuana, no exceptions. Step 12 oxygen and medical devices need pre-approval action. Submit medical device documentation before sailing. Why it matters. Fire and storage regulations tightened. What goes wrong if skipped boarding, delay, or denial? Pro tip: approved devices are tagged digitally in your booking record. Phase 70, Embarkation Day enforcement. Purpose: understand how bans are actually enforced. This is where people get caught. Security scanning is faster in 2025, but also less forgiving. Bags are scanned automatically. Random physical inspections increased. Cabin checks happen earlier and more often. Arguing does not help. Policies are enforced by contract, not discretion. Phase 80, common traps that cost passengers money. Purpose: avoid penalties after you're already on board. Traps to avoid: assuming they won't check, hiding items in checked luggage, taking banned items ashore and trying to reboard with them, relying on outdated blog advice, ignoring pre-cruise emails about prohibited items. These mistakes lead to fines, confiscation, and written warnings that stay on your cruise profile.